Hey everyone, my name is Salam, and today I'll be showing you how the Collaborative Ultra system works for tutoring. And I think this is going to be a pretty quick video because the system is pretty easy. It looks like this. You can open up, the side information screen where you can text chat to people right here. You can open up and you can see how many people are attending your room. So you can see the moderator, which is me in this case, and when you join another tutor, they'll be the moderator, and you'll be either a participant or presenter, and they can give you different admin roles so that you're able to do stuff like share your content down here, and you can open up a whiteboard, and you can get the pencil out and draw, you know, stuff like that. You can hit the clear button right here. You can even share your screens, pick which screen you want to share some files if you want to add them, set up breakout groups. They can set up breakout groups so that, not everyone, like let's say you have a large amount of people join one call or one room, and they're all trying to talk at the same time. That's going to be chaos. So you can set up different groups so that they're in their own little spaces, and you can jump from those spaces to give people help without being there so much chaos. Here's the settings where you can configure your speaker and volume. So like if your microphone isn't working initially, you go here to set your microphone up and test it, and you go here to set your camera up and test it. If it's not working, you can cancel sharing screens or whiteboard up top here. You're back to the main room. You can see the people that are in here, listen to them when they're talking. You can mute your microphone down here. And I just actually unmuted it, but so you can unmute and mute it. You can turn your camera on here. You can even raise your hand. So if you press raise your hand, it'll say, "Hey, I have this little icon." It'll make a noise too, audibly, for other users, where it's like, "Oh, okay, let me look to see who's raising their hand." You see who's raising their hand, and you can answer their question that way. And then you can stop raising your hand. I don't think this guy gets tired at all. I think he can raise his hand for a long period of time. So yeah, that's how it works. That's how it looks. And how to get into this room is very easy. When you make a tutoring appointment, your tutor will email you, 30 minutes before, 50 minutes before, an hour before. It's up to them, really. But we will email you before your tutoring appointment, and we will send you a link, and all you have to do is click on that link, and it'll take you directly to our own personal room to get your tutoring session started. All right, you guys. Thanks.